Today we will talk about the basic needs of customer to a salesperson. Since we talked in the earlier lectures that sales is a good career, and what I am telling you is the basic needs of the customers expected from a salesperson. Friendliness. Friendliness is the most basic of all customers' needs, usually associated with being greeted graciously and with warmth. Though we have talked about earlier, but I am repeating it so that you understand it better, you retain it better, and you implement it better. We all want to be acknowledged and welcomed by someone who sincerely is glad to see us. A customer shouldn't feel that they are an intrusion on a shopkeeper work routine. Understanding and empathy. Customers need to feel that the service person understands and appreciates their circumstances and feelings without criticism or judgment. Customers have simple expectations that we who serve them can put ourselves in their shoes, understanding what is they have come to us for in the first place. Fairness. We all need to feel that we are being treated fairly. Customers get very annoyed and defensive when they feel that they are subject to any class distinction. No one wants to be treated as if they fall into a certain category, left wondering, and they are going to receive a second best treatment. Control. Control represents the customers need to feel they have an impact on the ways things turn out. Our ability to meet this need for them come from our own willingness to say yes much more than we say no. Customers don't care about policies and rules. They want to deal with us all in all reasonableness. Option and alternative. Customers need to feel that the other avenue available to them to getting what they want are accomplished. They realize that they may be charting this territory first time, and they depend upon us who are in know to provide them basic inside scoop. They get very upset when we tell them that they have spun their wheels getting something done and we knew all along in a better way but never made the suggestion. Means you got to allow them to, don't tell them that you had thought of their alternatives. Information. Tell me, show me everything. Customer needs to be educated and informed about your products and services. And if they don't want us leaving anything out, don't want us to leave anything out. They wouldn't want to waste precious time doing homework on their own. They look to us as their walking, talking information central. They expect us to be more like a professional guide, guiding them for the best possibility. But then it's up to you to follow them up, how to convince them, keeping in mind their expectations. Thank you. Thank you so much.